You want to go on an adventure, a breathing adventure with me? I'd love to take you there. So we're going to go on a journey. It's specially designed to get you out of your mind and bring your attention deep into your body. Here's the fun part. Breath work, it's your magic bullet for great health and well-being. It's so transformational. Breath work, it helps you let go of your mental chatter and get you out of your head. It gets you to truly listen to your body's inner wisdom, and heal mental, physical, and emotional challenges. I love breath work. So when you're deep into your breath work trance, you often might discover magical insights, healing inspiration to really heal every aspect of your body, all your challenges. I love that part, and I want that for you, because we can't heal with our brain. No. We have to embody our healing and explore new possibilities. So we're going to do some breath work. It's going to get you out of your limited thoughts and those beliefs and bring you new insights for personal growth, and especially for healing. And as a bonus, practicing breath work, it strengthens your core health. It helps lower blood pressure, increases antioxidants. It helps you sleep a lot better, relieves your pain. It calms your mind, reduces stress and anxiety, strengthens your body's immune response, and improves your mood. I mean, sounding good, right? So are you ready to dive in? I know we've dabbled in this a little bit, but I want to give you a longer version. So get a pen, get some paper, get comfortable, really comfortable. You can lie down with pillows all around, or a blanket, or you can just sit in a comfortable chair with your head and back fully supported. I want you to think about a challenge. What's your biggest challenge in your life right now? The one you'd like to heal. What is that? So what question would you like to ask your body to solve? Write that down, or just remember it. Write that question down. And then we're going to start the breath work. So start by closing your eyes, grounding yourself. Feel the base of your spine and feel the heaviness of your body. Take a deep breath into your belly. Allow your jaw to relax and your mouth to drop open. Take a full connected inhale and a soft surrendered exhale. Allow your mind to relax with your thoughts. Let everything soften. Allow your awareness of the room to just drop away and breathe. Like this. Through your mouth and out your mouth. Keep breathing like this throughout the exercise. Bring your consciousness deeper and deeper inside. Allow your body to relax. And if you're sitting on the edge of a chair, find a comfortable position. Again, be supported. Allow the earth to support you, or the chair. Whatever you're leaning against, really be supported and breathe. Send a grounding cord from your body to the earth, just right back down. Allow yourself to feel this primary relationship between your body and your earth. Your body is made from the earth, and it will return. So keep breathing consciously. Breathe in that life force energy, that spirit of breath. Do this with an invitation. You really don't need to know how to do it, so don't start thinking about it. Just invite this to happen. Then going deeper inside, notice how you feel. Keep breathing. Notice how your body is feeling. What sensations are presenting themselves? Breathe. Keep breathing. You may be noticing places of ease, flow, or places that are a little more sticky, places that have stagnation. If there's any discomfort, any tightening or intensity, bring your consciousness there. Just with curiosity, pay attention to whatever wants to express itself, whatever's stuck. Keep breathing. Open up and receive. Tune in to how you feel. Keep breathing, let it go. Is there an emotion there? There might be more than one. If an emotion is flowing easily, that's great. Keep breathing. Notice those feelings that are holding on. If you feel a feeling that's holding on, breathe into it. See if there's any kind of thought or belief that you can identify that it's connected to, and keep breathing. Ask yourself, what's your experience of breathing like? What's going on? Does this feel easeful and graceful? Keep breathing. Does this feel difficult? Does it feel like it's effort? Does the breath change? Keep breathing. What is the experience for you, and what does it remind you of? And now if you want to ask a question of your guides, of your soul, just ask that question. Anything you'd like a little bit of insight on, just ask it, but keep breathing. What perspective that you don't usually have do you need? Keep breathing like this. Ask yourself these questions. Keep breathing. Notice the insight, what's going on in your body. Pay attention. Pay attention to what's going on. Feel it. Know that this is your mini breathwork session, but you can take it longer or shorter. Feel it in your body, what's coming up for you. Ask that question. Ask for insights. Get high on oxygen. Ask yourself the questions you need to really heal. Breathe into it. Ask your inner guidance, what is it that you need to know? Slow your breathing down. Get high on oxygen. If you're feeling dizzy or spacey, just keep breathing at your own pace. Know you're being guided. Get into your body. Bring your body back to the room you're living in. Slow your breath down and just stay with it. When you feel complete, take your pen, your paper, and write down the insights. Just journal and see what comes up for you. Breathe into it. Listen to the music. Stay with it. Breathe slowly and deeply and notice what comes up for you. Keep with it. I'm going to let the music go for a little bit longer. Stay with it. Right. Listen to your body. Bring yourself into your body. This is Catherine Chess, wishing you many blessings for a fabulous day. Breathe. It's your ticket to great health.